going to show you how easy it is to automate a test using Mindtest Software's framework today and running on TestComplete. I'm going to write a short test to show you how to automatically log into this website, the user, password, and logon button. Okay, so here's TestComplete. The first thing to do is create a folder. Call that 01 login 1. Okay, and here we need to add an item. Call that TS SAP login 1. Okay, and here it needs to be a page object, so we use the shortcut Control J. Insert the code templates and select the page object. Put in the app name SAP and the page name, which is login 1. Okay. Now all we have to do is insert references for all the objects we need to access on that page. So you insert them here. Again, using the shortcut Control J, reference by parameter, the object. Here you need the name of it. In this case, I'm doing it for the user. So I'll call it txt user. And now I have to use the object spy, which is here, to find the reference on the web page. So just drag and drop this button here. This brings up all the attributes. Scroll down to the attribute area here. And you want the ID, which is this one. Copy that. This needs to go into the property value. The property name was attributes.id. Okay. Now I need to be able to set text in that area, so I have to insert a test step function by going Control J again. And we have a set text here, name SAP, same page name, login 1, and the text object reference, which is the same again, txt user, which as you can see is the same as this here. Okay, so if we repeat this step for all the other references on the page, we can produce this file. And this gives you the login information. So you've got the users, the one we did. We've got a reference to password, we've got a login. This is a link on the main page. And then we define actions as well. Set text for the password. Clicking on the login, and this checks whether an icon is visible on the screen. Okay, now what we need to do is create a test case for this. So I'm going to add a test case item. I'm going to call that cc underscore login with valid credentials. So here you go, Control J for the shortcuts, we go to code template, scroll to the bottom. Here we need a test case. Put in the project name, SAP. And in the test case, login with valid credentials. Now here the first thing we need to do is start the browser. So if you start typing in, you'll get prompted with some of the predefined routines. So, yes, SAP execution. There's a routine called start application. Semicolon afterwards. And we need to call a test step. So first we set the user. That's here, set text, the user, put in the username, which is De Silva. Yeah. Now we need to set the password, so I start typing NTS SAP login1, and we'll see one of the routines, and here we are for the password. We need to set the password for this. Okay, semicolon at the end of that, and now we have to hit the login button, so that's TS SAP. There we go. Login button. Okay, finally, after we've logged in, we have to check whether we actually logged in successfully. The screen is available. So we have this test step for this, which is whether the user is visible on the screen. To set that to true. Yep. Save that. And now finally we can run the test. When we run the routine, we'll bring up the browser, navigate to the website, fill in the user and password, hit the login button. The SAP site should log in. And it was a little bit quick there, but if we look here, it successfully completed the test. So you can see the browser was started, it logged in, clicked to the login page, and it checked that the user link icon was visible on the screen. If I go back to the test website under test, you can see that we logged in successfully. And that's it. Okay, thanks for watching.